Without any knowledge of developing, you can actually create this type of Fruit Ninja game and start earn by following several steps. So let's dive into our video. Open ChatGPT and type this prompt. ChatGPT will give this much big response. Copy it, and then come to Replit. Sign in using your Google account. Now select 3D game and then paste the response you copied. Wait for 5 minutes. Replit will create the game. Play the game and note the bugs. Like in my case, fruit were not visible. Come back to command and type what bug you face. Replit will immediately fix it. If you are interested in this type of content, then subscribe. And don't forget to comment on which topic you want next video. You can publish it and start earning.